friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. I made this decor almost 2.5 years ago where I used PVC pipes to make a puja mandir. It went viral and lot of you people had made this PVC pipe mandir at home. In today's video, I wanted to share new ideas where you can repurpose this mandir to decorate for your puja decorations for coming up festivals. We want to come up with new decor ideas every time we decorate at home. Instead of buying new backdrop stands every time, you can repurpose the backdrop stand that we have made and create beautiful decorations and backdrop stands. I hope you get some ideas for coming up festive season. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now without any delay, let's get started on how to repurpose this mandir to come up with new backdrop stands. To create the mandir, I have used 1/2 inch pipes and 1/2 inch connectors. Please check out this video where I have provided multiple options to create this mandir and detailed step-by-step process to create it. Set up this backdrop for puja mandir in less than 5 minutes and you can decorate it as per your needs and ideas. Reusing this mandir, I am creating a two-way stand where I am using the same PVC pipe connectors and this wood base with the cap along with the three-way connector. I'm just attaching the base to the pipe, and the three-way connectors, I'm gonna turn the other side facing my side and then just connect these connectors on top like this. And connect the third piece. A simple and easy backdrop stand is ready. You can easily decorate with some flowers, garlands, and it will look beautiful. I use this stand to decorate multiple ways. Here are some decorations that I use this stand to decorate for my festive occasions. Using these fittings, we have created a 4-way backdrop stand, a 2-way backdrop stand. Now, how about creating a triangle stand using the same fittings? Yes, you can make a triangle stand using these fittings. I'm using the same 3-way connector and I bought 2 T-shaped PVC connectors. I had some extra 1/2 inch PVC pipe at home, so I cut them into 4 pieces which are like 2.5 inch in size. I'm connecting this 3-way connector to the pipes like this. Where it forms like a triangle. Now I am using these T-shaped 3-way fittings. So this is the triangle stand. It is a little bit shaky, so it might fall down like this. So for that, what I am doing, I am adding these extra PVC pipes to the connector. I am just attaching to the corners. Here my triangle shaped backdrop stand is ready and it's not shaky anymore. Nice and perfect. So here is another backdrop stand that you can use from the same fittings. You can make these triangles in different shapes and size and create beautiful backdrop decorations. I hope you got some ideas for your next DIY project. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.